So I was sent this toolbox, and this is basically an all-in-one toolbox system. Now, sometimes I get called down to the courts to make a repair, and I take a couple of tools, pick them out from here to there, put them in my pocket comb, and I always leave something behind. So with this system, you're bringing everything that you could possibly ever need for most any job. So let's take a closer look at it, and let's see what's inside. So it's got a nice handle, tucks away so it could lay flat. So in and out the car, pretty easy. You have these straps here, which will lift up, right? And here is your first compartment. Now your first compartment is going to have a lot of the basic tools you need. Measuring tape, pencil for carpentry, for wood. You got an adjustable wrench here. Great for all uses. You got a pretty sizable ratchet set, 3/4, a little hammer, which will come in handy in a lot of situations, and something you probably won't even bring. You got pliers, needle nose, with wire cutters in there. Very useful in all situations. I like this for ratchet. If you gotta get around a corner and it spins here and it spins here, this comes in handy. Measuring tape. Make sure those measurements are right. Allen wrench key. Over here, drill bits. More than several, about 24 kinds. You also got drivers, nut drivers with magnetic holders in there. Pretty cool. These are like specialized sets. Now over here, tiny Phillips head screwdriver and flat screwdriver, and you have a spinning thing. So this is a precise kit. You know, you put your hand here, and then you spin there. You could work on watches with that. Very precise. This is super unique picks. Sometimes you got to pick stuff out, and this I don't even have in my regular toolkit. So that's nice to have there. So this has everything and more, which is what makes this a great deal, I feel. And it's not just that. You got circle bits here. You can make nice circles with the drill bits, and screwdriver, drive set, and that's pretty much covers the top end. Now I say top end because it has a bottom end. So we'll lock this up, right? Then there's an extra tab here. We flip this up, loosen it, and what happens? Well, let's get this open. So here, the sides fall down, and now you have storage for star and hexagon bits. Torx, sorry. You got more flatheads, more than you need, more than you ever not. You got sockets, tiny sockets, because I assume it comes with a tiny socket wrench, or even the bit drivers. On this side you got more bits, a couple of extensions, and a spark plug bit. And you remove this, and now you have the heart of the system. A very powerful driver screw gun. Very nice. Couple of speeds, forward, reverse, of course. 2 batteries with a charger, and now you can put first speed. See how fast first is fast, second is a little slower for driving screws, and 2 batteries, 21 volt. So this is, you have circle bits that go along with this, Very vital to get certain jobs done. You got whole wire assortment of screws, wire ties, clamps, bolts, all random stuff that could be useful in a situation where you have none, and now you have. Of course, the charging cable for the batteries. Batteries come pre-charged. All the batteries here. And so if you can't fix most things with this kit, then you really need like a specialized tool. This kit is pretty awesome, well packaged. If I'm done with my job, I come here, put my battery there, drill there, fold this up, right? Take this box here, let's put it in like this. Right there, fits in there. Overlap it. Close it. Now it's all together. Lock it down. And you're ready to go. Off back to the car, off back to the house. One trip, many tools. Can't go wrong. This kit is awesome. The one kit, all these tools, super convenient to carry, secured in place, nothing's gonna fall out. And just put it in out your car or keep it in your home upstairs and have the tools in the garage so that when you do work in the garage or in the yard, you have a separate set of tools. So I like this. I think it's a great value, and I would buy with confidence. You're gonna get your money's worth, that's for sure.